Hello friends, welcome to BISP Trainings. Myself Ashwin, and today I am going to show you how to create a custom record. But first, let us know what is NetSuite. NetSuite is a complete ecosystem that enables company to manage all key business processes in a single system. Companies use NetSuite for enterprise resource planning, manage inventory, track their financials, and their reporting, also host e-commerce stores and maintain customer relationship management. And apart from these, there are many facilities given by NetSuite. Let's have a look on it. See here you can see on bank purchases, selling, sales, billings, customers, every information you can store in it. But many times we feel the need to create our custom records, to perform some action on it. So for that, we need to create a custom record. Suppose we are having a Excel sheet of monthly customers and their purpose of visit. Let's take an example that we want to manage the record of how many customers comes per month and what is the purpose of their visit. So let's create a custom record for this. Here you go in customization, list record field, and record type. In NetSuite, record means a table. In normal language, programming language, we use the word table, but here record means the table. Now see, these are the records. Now let me start with this new type. New type means new record we are going to create. Monthly customer visit. Monthly visitors information. Let's take visitors. A company is having their branches in many cities, and company wants to know that how many customer comes monthly and their purpose. So here you can add the description, show ID. It is useful for future coding. Now here I will add on record list on record, right? Now what I will do here, I will press the button save. Now it is saved. The record name is created, like control F monthly. Here the record name is created. Now we have to add the fields also. Fields means the column. Here the fields means the column. Let's take field, new field, visitor's name, visitor's name, right? Here you can add any description. Here type is free form text, right? And after that I will press save. Then again we will add to we will take two fields, purpose of visit, purpose of visit, and then let's take another example, save. Now here I have created two rows or two records. Now see where it is. Save. Here I will save it, and then again here is a list of records, monthly customer visit, monthly visitor information. You will go here to the list, right? Now see, right now it is empty. Here new monthly visitor information, that means you are going to enter a new row. A new row is going to be created here. For example, this you can see here, this is the name. It is mandatory. Name means this is the name of the row. Many times we require, this is for unique identification. For example, a person name Raj, Raj record, right? Here the visitor name is Raj, and he come for business partnership, right? Here I will press save. What are the use of this, I will explain you in my later videos. Then again we will add here new. Suppose another is Shyam's video, Shyam's information. Here the visitor name is Shyam, and the purpose of visit is let's take investment in company, right? And then save it. Now you can see if I press here list means how many rows are there in the record. Right now there are two rows in the record, Raj's record and Shyam's record. Now if I press here customize view, now customize view means what information you want to see in the table. For example, here you see visitor name, I want to see visitor name, add, okay, and then I want to see the purpose of visit, yes, it is not attaching. Yes, purpose of visit and then add. Now I want to make it one step up, move up and move up. Yes, and another is here, okay, visitor name, yes. Now save it. Now we will see here purpose of visit and visitor name. You can see here purpose of visit and visitor name. Now in this way I can add so many records, and suppose if I am having a CSV or Excel sheet, then I can upload that also. We will learn how to upload the CSV in our next videos. So right now this is the procedure of creating a custom record. Let's have a quick recap. First of all, you need to go here, record type, then you have to create the record name from here, this new type. Once you created the record, the record name is created, then again you have to press here and then you have to add the fields, and in this way your record is now created. So you are ready to now enter the information. Let's take, when you want to enter the information, you have to click here, list. First you will see the list, and here new information, new monthly visitor information, and from here you can enter the information. In my next video I will show you how to add the list. For example, if a person is below 25 year or between 25 to 50 year, we can apply that condition also. So in my next video I will explain them. So guys, this was all about creating custom record. Now company can make different use of this record. Once we have the information or the data, company can make use of this. So guys, in my next video I will show you how to add the list. Until then, goodbye. If you like my video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much.